HVAC air changes, fundamentals of cleanroom ventilation. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. Overview. Air change rate, ACH, is a critical parameter that defines how often the air within a cleanroom is replaced by conditioned or filtered air. This rate directly impacts contamination control, airborne particulate concentration, and regulatory compliance. Definition and design consideration. Air change rate, ACH, represents the number of times the entire room volume is replaced with fresh air in 1 hour. Design consideration. ACH values vary based on cleanroom activity, number of personnel, equipment, and layout efficiency. It's often best to refer to historical performance data and owner preferences for setting airflow requirements. While ACH isn't a fixed compliance metric, it must meet minimum code requirements, typically greater than or equal to 20 ACH for most pharmaceutical cleanrooms. Dilution remains the key mechanism for particulate control in pressurized cleanroom. ACH, HEPA coverage and velocity by classification. Cleanroom class. ISO Class 8/Class 100,000. Air changes, ACH. 24 to 50% HEPA coverage. 10 to 20%. Air velocity, FPM. 5 to 10. Cleanroom class. ISO Class 7/Class 10,000. Air changes, ACH. 50 to 100% HEPA coverage. 20 to 40%. Air velocity, FPM. 10 to 20. Cleanroom class. ISO Class 6/Class 1000. Air changes, ACH. 150 to 200% HEPA coverage. 40 to 60%. Air velocity, FPM. 25 to 35. Cleanroom class. ISO Class 5/Class 100. Air changes, ACH. 270 to 330% HEPA coverage. 80 to 100%. Air velocity, FPM. 70 to 110. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.